welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beachy wave hair tutorial. I normally do my hair like this pretty much every time I go out because my hair is it's a bit dull when it's just down and straight, so I like it with a bit more volume to it. So firstly, I washed my hair last night, just shampoo and conditioned, and then towel dried my hair. And then after I finished, I went in with like a foam volumizer. So this is just a random foam that I have. I'm pretty sure it's just from Kohl's. So I just use any sort of hair mousse, hair volumizer, and just sort of layer my hair, lather it all in, and then I blow dry it. I never used to have to do something like that because I did have blonde hair, but because my hair is starting to go back to my normal natural color and I just have a little bit, there's not that much lighter in the bottom of my hair, I find that my curls don't stay in and they drop so quickly. So I find that something like this works a treat. I am just going to be using a hair straightener. Personally, I love a straightener over a curling one. And I've also got some hairspray and then just a comb. These three items are pretty much all you're gonna need today. So let's do it. My hair. So I normally start off with a little chunk like this and then slowly grab more, obviously until we get to the top. I like to curl my hair in two separate ways. So this side of my head I'm curling one way and then this side of my head I'm curling another way. I like to grab a little chunk at a time like that, and I put my hair straightener on. I'm going to twirl it and pull it out, and then I do like to leave a little bit there like that. And you do one twirl and then you pull it out and then you drop. So that's that side done. And then on this side, I curl the opposite way. So I'm turning that way outwards and then pull, 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 and leave it to about there, and then I just drop it. So the reason why I leave a little bit at the end straight is so when we brush it at the bottom it goes down straight, it doesn't sort of flick out. I just like to go in with the hairspray. Just gonna grab the other section. So I like to do smaller chunks just so the curls hold a bit better and they're a bit tighter. When you do large chunks, sometimes it doesn't hold as well and it's not as springy. Sometimes I like to work back to front just so I don't miss any spots. So again, this time twirling it around fully and then leave a tiny little bit and drop. So I obviously don't brush any of them out, I just let them sit really nice and curly. little bit. Only when I've got an event on, I'm going out, I like to leave my hair curled before brushing it out, between half an hour to an hour, sometimes even longer depending on what time I started getting ready or what time I have to leave. So I'm going to leave my hair like this for about 45 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to go and do a makeup look, and then I will be back to brush it all out with you guys. So I just finished doing my makeup. I'm just going to go through and brush it. There we have it, so it's a bit more brushed out and beachy. And so much more volume. Just going to hairspray a little bit. So you can hairspray it sort of in place. And here we have the final look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this has helped you with curling your hair. It is so easy, so simple, and you literally only need your straightener, a comb, a hairbrush, and some hairspray, and it takes like 20 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed. Definitely please like and subscribe to support this page. I absolutely love doing these videos, and I can't wait to get some more out